Welcome to ACommerce Supply Chain Management and ECommerce Shopping Cart Software Overview. ACommerce Supply Chain Management Software is a secure web-based system that helps to efficiently manage inventory and sales along with support for multiple sites, manufacturing, warehouse management, logistics and vendor integration, and online shopping cart. Track products inventory for multiple locations including warehouses and stores with support for bin details. Track products inventory for each site including warehouses and stores with support for serial numbers, UPC code and bin details. Track product inventory at SKU level for multiple locations including warehouses and stores. Define and track products inventory by category. For online shopping cart, auto-generate navigation menu based on product categories. Generate reports with support for multiple data filtering parameters. Also add custom reports to dashboard portal. Launch online store using default templates with no coding. ACommerce also provides online store customization services. Manage invoices, bills and order fulfillment including shipping details from admin console. Optimize shipping costs by combining shipments from multiple shopping cart orders. Launch and manage e-commerce online store by effectively managing products and services inventory at multiple locations. Contact us at https://www.acommerce.com or send email to support@acommerce.com.